heart gladly. I get no kick from champagne.
I'm spokesperson for alternative drivetrains for the BMW Group. Behind me you can see the BMW Hydrogen 7. This is our solution for a car for a sustainable mobility. This car is working with fluid hydrogen and it's working on a hydrogen combustion engine. And this is what you can see over here. It's a 12-cylinder. It can be driven either with hydrogen or with gasoline. The point about it is, when it drives on hydrogen, it provides practically no CO2 emissions.